Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. This is Pittsburgh Unboxing. First two things. I fell tonight. I was carrying my coffee and Mama Cat and Kitten's food, and I got caught up in the laundry and went down on my knees, went on my side, shoulder. It hurts. Second, the beautiful white kitty that is very friendly. I want to call it Flop Flop. Well, it's not a girl. It's a boy, and it's not neutered. And I've been looking for ways to get him neutered. 75, 65. They moved the Berkeley clinic. They're under construction. They're in Pinole, and it would be impossible to take him to Pinole. I might be able to do it in the county. I'm going to call them on Wednesday. If Trump sends that check out, yes, I can get him neutered and probably to Tennessee. All right, this came in yesterday, but it's been in my mailbox, and I'll ask you to bear with me because my arm and side are sore, and my left knee. Okay, and we have the channel numbers. Just a minute. My arm hurts too. I just landed and was kind of stuck in the corner all along. I'm going to do laundry in the morning. Computer, wake me at 9 a.m.
Alarm set for 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay, 1,533,545 views, 19,732 subscribers. Thank you, loyal channel members, by the way, and Belly Be the cat and all the cats, and Top Cat. Okay, this is not for channel members, but all right. Now, what this is, it came from the wilds of New York, and it is a, oops, ow. It is a solar charger. Now, here's the charging port. All of these, you have to charge them first. They give you a little tiny manual, and it's basically one page, how to charge this product. Power detection, press the button until the lamp is no lit. The low battery needs to be charged. The light blue light when charging as continue to use the following method-oriented products charging way. You know, they don't understand English in China. Method 1, connected to the computer. Method 2, USB adapter maintenance. And you have to keep the thing clean. There's a solar panel. So here's the front of it. And this has the little port for it, this rubber thing. And it has, I can't see what it has. Can't read it. In, Type C, out. So there's 3 of those. Here is the cable to charge the actual device. I had one of these once. I got a backpack with a supposed solar charging panel. It was a piece of crap. I'm hoping this is better for Kathy. And then you have, I don't know why these are there. And on the back, you have out 3, out 2, out 1, and in 1. So I will use the pen. And these are attached to the thing, but doesn't make sense. Now, I don't know what this was for because it's too big for anything, and it has this contact on it. So let's see if I'll try the out 1. Now, Apple she doesn't have an iPhone. She has an Android phone. Apple has proprietary charging setups. Although I've gotten cables that work that aren't Apple. Well, this is interesting. This one will not fit in the little flashlight. And it probably certainly won't work on my iPhone. What? Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on! It works in the iPhone. Oh my God. Now, there's some kind of disc here. I'm assuming it will charge if you put your phone on there. The only thing, and blue lights light up. Hold on, I'm trying to do this three-handed. I don't have three hands. Little blue lights just lit up. I don't know if you can see the blue lights, but I can. They're at the bottom of this thing. There we go. And my phone is probably charged by now. It's been sitting there for an hour. But this cable will work on an iPhone. That's interesting. And let's see if these other two, out 2 and out 3. Now, they're not working with a flashlight. I do have an Android phone around here somewhere. Now, this is too... Oh, I'm sorry, I'm doing it in the wrong spot. Look at this. It will charge my flashlight. Wow. I may have to get one of these for me. They're only about 20 bucks. It'll charge the flashlight. It will charge the iPhone. It dices. It slices. So this is... and you can see the indicator here. So you can charge I don't know what this in is, because it's very strange looking, but these connectors work, and that's amazing. So I could, when I plug this in to my USB, I could charge my iPhone or my little flashlights with no problem. And the blue light, of course, I don't know how it takes. I usually charge the flashlights all night. That way I know they're charged. And this would probably work with my lantern too, my solar lantern. So that's pretty cool. It works. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a good night. Stay cool, stay safe, stay hydrated, stay warm, and watch out for killer laundry. Alright, so this is connector. I'm going to plug this in after I put the cat dishes in the sink, and then take a minute, grab Mama Kitten's cat dishes, give them some more food. They're hungry all the time. And I don't know why, because they don't come. Mama Cat doesn't come in and eat dry food, and neither does Kitten. Probably because they're spoiled rotten. I love them dearly. Oh, and I got lots of pets, and he likes. I thought it was a she, but he likes his tummy rubbed. And he grabs my hand with his paws, but he is definitely not neutered. But he's very friendly and very sweet. And comes up, meows and flops. If I do get him neutered and try to make him my cat, I think I'm going to call him Flop Flop. He loves to flop. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Oh, my shoulder is killing me. I really landed hard. Right in the corner there. I did find one bright spot. I'm looking for the case for the Ancient Aliens I was watching, DVD, about a month ago. And when everything flew off the table, and I found the case, it was on the table, buried amongst some stuff. Have a good night. I will catch you next time. This has been Pittsburgh Unboxing. I'm going to go give the cats their food and play my game for a little while, make some hot tea, and then go to bed. And get up in the morning and start doing the killer laundry. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 to receive content not on the regular channel. And ironically, my phone sent me a message, you're liable to fall within the next 10 days. Your gait indicates you could fall. It cursed me. I guess I need to stop carrying things in each hand so I have a hand free to grab something. That's my big mistake tonight. Okay, have a good one. Bye-bye.